Started in English in 15th century. Which age is called as the age of Shakespeare Renaissance? Which age is called as the early Romantic period Renaissance? Which period is called the mature period of English language Renaissance? Literary Renaissance means rebirth. Renaissance is a French word. Renaissance was revival and awakening of knowledge. Where was Renaissance started in 4th century Italy? Morning star of religious Reformation was John Wycliffe. Morning star of Renaissance was Geoffrey Chaucer. Last great Renaissance poet John Milton. What was the imprinted trait of Renaissance humanism? From where did the Greek scholars came to all Europe? Constantinople. What was the essence of Renaissance? Man discovered himself and the universe. What served as a vehicle to spread literature everywhere? The invention of printing press. Who discovered America in the Renaissance period? Columbus. Who found the solar system? Copernicus. Who brought church and state together in 1530? Henry VIII. From which church did Henry VIII break ties? Roman Catholic. Which Christian sect flourished in English after breaking ties with Roman Catholics? Protestant. Which term was followed by literature before the Renaissance? Theocentric. Theocentric means God is the center of universe. After the emergence of Renaissance, homocentric became the basis of literature. Homocentric means man is the center of universe. The death of medieval scholasticism. Renaissance. The death of medieval scholasticism is Renaissance. Renaissance revolted against the spiritual authority and papal authority. Renaissance implies greater perception of beauty and polish to Greek and Latin scholars. The requel of the History of Troy was first published book by Caxton. When was the requel of the History of Troy published? In 1475. William Caxton brought printing press in England in 1476. John Gutenberg and his companion published the Bible in Germany in 1455. Medievalism changed into Renaissance exactly from 1485. The Canterbury Tales was first published in 1576. Who is considered as the model in Renaissance? Greek and Romans are considered as the model in Renaissance. How were Renaissance and Protestant Reformation similar? Spirit of inquiry. What was the emphasis on the Renaissance? Individual. The techniques of perspective, realism, and individualism. The techniques of perspective, realism, and individualism were used in Renaissance art. Which entity lost its power in the Renaissance? Roman Catholic. Who was the father of humanism? Petrarch. Renaissance had little importance for ordinary women. Who wrote Utopia? Thomas More. Blame of society's problem was placed on the society itself by Thomas More's Utopia. According to Renaissance thinkers, women should be educated only for knitting, music, and dancing. Martin Luther translated the New Testament into German. The nature of relationship between church and individual was changed by Reformation. The King James Bible was made by 47 scholars. When was Utopia published in Latin? 1516. Who translated Utopia into English in 1551? Ralph Robinson. Gorboduc was the first English tragedy. Who wrote Gorboduc? Thomas Norton and Thomas Sackville. Gorboduc was written in blank verse. When was Gorboduc published? 1561. Philosophia Naturalis Principia Mathematica was published in 1687. Who wrote Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica? Sir Isaac Newton. When was Principia published in English 1728. Principia 1728. Who wrote the play Venice Preserved? Thomas Otway wrote the essay about the play Venice Preserved. Thomas Otway. Venice Preserved was published in 1682. Venice Preserved was published in 1682. Boccaccio belonged to Italy. Who wrote Decameron? Boccaccio wrote Decameron. Decameron was the first attempted prose adventure. Decameron was the first attempted prose adventure. Gazzetta Tatler was the first periodical. Gazzetta Tatler was the first periodical manuscript newspaper in Europe. Gazzetta Tatler was the first periodical manuscript newspaper in Europe. Who was Queen Elizabeth's first tutor? Roger Ascham. Roger Ascham was Queen Elizabeth's first tutor. Roger Ascham remained tutor of Elizabeth I from 1448 to 1550. Roger Ascham was a didactic writer. Roger Ascham was a didactic writer. Lifespan of Roger Ascham 1515 to 1568. John Marston and John Chapman. John Marston and John Chapman are Renaissance writers. John Marston and George Chapman. John Marston and George Chapman are Renaissance writers. George Chapman was a poet, a translator, and a dramatist. George Chapman was a poet, a dramatist, and a translator. The Duchess of Malfi is written by Webster. The Duchess of Malfi was written by John Webster. Who is the most stern follower of Senecan tradition? John Webster is the most stern follower of the Senecan revenge tradition. Who wrote The White Devil? John Webster wrote The White Devil. Vittoria Genci, Ludovico, and Bresciano are characters in Vittoria Genci, Ludovico, and Bresciano are characters in The White Devil, written by John Webster. William Congreve is the originator of Comedy of Manners. William Congreve was the editor of Comedy of Manners. The drama of the age of James I is known as Jacobean drama. John Fletcher and Shakespeare's The Two Noble Kingsmen retells the story of Chaucer's Knight's Tale. Who said human body is consisted of four humors: blood, phlegm, cholera, and melancholy. Ben Jonson. Every Man in His Humor is drama by Ben Jonson. Roger Formal and Mr. Stephen. Roger Formal and Mr. Stephen are characters in Every Man in His Humor. Roger Formal and Mr. Stephen are characters in Every Man in His Humor. Who wrote the play The Silent Women? Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson wrote the play The Silent Women. Silent Women play was written by Ben Jonson. Moros and Dauphin are the characters in The Silent Women. Moros and the Dauphin are the characters in The Silent Women. Who was disguised as a woman in The Silent Women? Epicyon was a boy. Epicyon was a boy disguised as a woman in The Silent Women. Blank verse is unrhymed iambic pentameter. Blank verse is unrhymed iambic pentameter. Sidney attributes a moral power and he encourages people to follow virtue's model to poetry in his The Defense of Poesy. William Caxton introduced art of printing into England. William Caxton introduced art of printing into England. Who succeeded Elizabeth I in 1603? James VI of England. James VI of Scotland and first of England. Life of Donne is Donne's biography, authored by Isaac Walton. Life of Donne is a biography of Donne written by Isaac Walton. Life of Donne by Isaac Walton. Who imagined himself as the modern version of Augustus Caesar? James I imagined himself a modern version of Augustus Caesar. Paradise Lost by John Milton assimilate and critique the Peak tradition. Charles II ruled with deference to the Parliament. Charles II ruled with deference to the Parliament. Tudor courtiers had learned the art of intrigue and keys of gaining power from an Italian book, Prince by Machiavelli. When did Caxton print Le Mortedi, authored by Mallory? 1485. War of Roses ended in 1485 on Bosworth Field. The Bible was printed in about 1451 in Germany by John Gutenberg and his partners. Arcadia was written by Philip Sidney. Aristotle and Stella was published in 1591. Aristotle and Stella was written by Sir Philip Sidney. Aristotle and Stella by Sir Philip Sidney is a sonnet series. Surrey introduced blank verse in Aeneid. Mills Coverdale made first complete translation. Mills Coverdale made first complete translation of the Bible from Tyndale's version. Theatres were closed by Puritans in 1642. Walpole Johnson's comedy. The Alchemist is by Ben Jonson.